Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Explore with Moin and Saadia. Today we are at one of the most famous spots in Dubai where luxury meets adventure. Yes, we are talking about the Mall of the Emirates. If you think you know everything about malls, then it's time to think again because the Mall of the Emirates is not just a shopping center, it's a one-stop solution for entertainment, dining, and so much more. So why are we waiting for? Let's dive in and see what makes this place so special. The Mall of the Emirates is one of the largest malls in the world with over 2.4 million square feet of retail space. It's home to hundreds of stores ranging from high-end fashion brands to the most popular international levels. Yes, I mean, if you are looking for the latest trends in fashion, gadgets, or even home decor, you will definitely find it here. But another thing is this mall is so much more than just retail therapy, and we are going to show you that today in this vlog. As you can see, we are standing in front of a beautiful place full of ice. At the same time, we are talking about to explore the Mall of the Emirates. So you guys must be wondering what we are saying now. Actually, this place is called Ski Dubai and it is situated inside the Mall of the Emirates. So let's begin with this place. We will explore the Ski Dubai first and then we will explore the other parts of Mall of the Emirates. So now let's talk about Ski Dubai. Ski Dubai is a premier indoor winter resort located inside the Mall of the Emirates in Dubai.
Welcome to Ski Dubai. Ski on the slope. Stay safe and enjoy your visit.
You have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope.
Opened in 2005, it offers a world-class snow experience in the heart of the desert. Spanning over 22,500 square meters, Ski Dubai is a home to a variety of winter activities which include skiing, snowboarding, snowfall fights and many more. One of the Ski Dubai's highlights is its indoor penguin enclosure, which is a home to a colony of Gento and king penguins. The temperature inside the resort is kept at a chilly -1 to -2 degrees Celsius, providing a true winter atmosphere. Ski Dubai also offers activities like zip lining and a mountain-themed cafe, making it a popular destination for tourists and also local, especially those who are seeking a cool escape from the hot climate of United Arab Emirates. And if you wanna enjoy all those activities, then you must go inside, and for that you have to buy the ticket of Ski Dubai, which will cost you around 7,000 taka in Bangladeshi taka per person. And you can buy the ticket from this ticket counter or you can buy the ticket online also. They have both the option.
That's my favorite store. It's Balmain. 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 And the biggest Balmain.
As you can see, there was a sales going on in Balmain, and Balmain is Moin's favorite brand, so we had to check it out first. You know what I love most about this place? I mean the Mall of the Emirates. No matter where you are from, this mall feels like a melting pot of cultures and experience. It's a great place to shop, eat, and just enjoy being in one of the most luxurious cities in the world. And the best part, there's something for everyone. Whether you are a shopaholic or looking for adventure or just here to relax and enjoy the vibes, you will definitely have something for you. You can check out these designer stores. You have got your Louis Vuitton, Prada and Gucci, but that's not all. This mall has some of the most exclusive and unique brands you won't find just anywhere in the world. But don't worry, there is also a whole branch of store that offers something for every budget. The Mall of the Emirates is home to over 630 stores, including some of the most luxurious brands from around the world. If you are into high fashion, this place will feel like a dream come true. And it's not about the luxury, there is something here for everyone, as we have already mentioned. From tech gadgets to cosmetics to home decor to sportswear, you will find it all here. Plus, the design of the mall itself is a masterpiece. With the stunning glass dome and open spaces, it's a sight to behold.
Sheikh's house. You wanna ride? Horse ride?
Now let's talk about the dining options available in the Mall of the Emirates. The Mall of the Emirates has over 100 dining outlets, from casual cafes to fine dining experience. You can literally travel the world through food right here. We'll be trying out some of these restaurants later, but for now, we are enjoying our shopping time.
You know Farsi Cafe in Gulshan? This is the original Farsi Cafe. This is the original Farsi Cafe. Like, there are many Farsi cafes all over the world. In Egypt you will find Farsi Cafe. Here you will find Farsi Cafe. Going back home now. Home for 10 days. Overall speaking, Mall of Emirates somehow
আমার কাছে
even যদি compare করি with Singapore or Malaysia, Mall of Emirates is the best. Don't expect anything under budget.
Now we are going to Lovisa, which is my favorite brand for jewelry and accessories, to check out what they got new. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's adventure at the Mall of the Emirates. We hope you have enjoyed the tour as much as we did. And next time, whenever you will be visiting Dubai, don't forget to add the Mall of the Emirates in your bucket list.
my wife's favorite.
So yeah, that's all for today, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun exploration around Dubai and beyond. And also hit the notification bell so you never miss out on an adventure with us. See you next time on Explore with Moin and Sadia. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and keep exploring. Bye, take care.